Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see like how we create tables in the Power BI. In the previous tutorial, we were creating the chart in the Power BI, and there can be a requirement like instead of the chart, if user want to see the data in the table format. So we will see the data into the table format. So agenda of this tutorial is like we will create a table and we will show the data into the like that table, and we will format the particular data table in the Power BI, and we will see like what is the conditional formatting into that table in the Power BI. So for that, let's go to the Power BI desktop application, so which we have already installed in my system. So now what we will do, like for creating a table into the like in the Power BI. So what we have to do, first we have to take this table format, like this is the table visualization way. So let's resize this one, expand it so we can show the data properly. So here now we have to put the data, like what kind of data you want to show into the table. So we can see here, like here we can see only one field called value, but in the previous tutorials where we were using the chart, we were having the access and the other fields like tooltip, legend, and all these like size, value, everything we were looking, but for the table we see only the value. In this value only we keep all the things. So what I will do, I will drag and drop the country to this one, and when we drag and drop we can see like it is populating the country here. Now next what I will do, with the country I will see the profit, and now with the profit I will take the month name also. So based on that we can see the data. So month name I will take first. So we can see like, so here we can see like now currently it is not showing properly because it's a very like the size of this is very small. So what we can do, we can do the formatting over this table. So for formatting, we know like these are the field where we can do the formatting, and based on that we can change the size of this. So this is the first step. Like first we have to take the values, like for which kind of the data you want to show the like you want to show the table, and by default it take the sum all this. And if we can do the like I want ascending and descending order based on the country, so I can take based on that. If I want based on the month, we can do based on the month also. So like these are the default functionality comes when we create the table into the Power BI. Now suppose if we want to do some formatting over this, like I want a header in the bold letter and background color something, so we have to go to this one, and like column header we are looking here. So instead of black, what I can do, if I want the color in this, I have changed the color, we can see here. Now background color, if you want to change, we can change the background color as well. So here it is fine, let's change it so it look much good to us. So now I have changed the background color as well. And apart from this, like if we want to change the font size also, we can increase the font size. We can see like here it is showing the font size, it's bigger. So in this way, and like here we can see word wrap is already there. And apart from this, like instead of this column header, if you want to change the grid style, that also we can increase the grid style also, like how you want to show the data, like text size if I want to increase, then we can increase the text size also. Now our grid is looking much better than before, after this giving this format. Like image height, if you want to increase, then we can increase that image height also. And apart from this, like there are some many property, like as per our requirement we can give the formatting to our data table, basically this table format. And we can see here now like it's looking much better than before. And if we want to focus more, then it will look in this way. And obviously we can export the data. We have already talked about this one, like how we can export the data into the CSV format, that we have already talk about that. So this is the way of this one. So it's simple, like it's not like chart like in different field we have to take the data. In this table only, in one values only, we have to pull all the fields which we want to show to the user. Now apart from this simple formatting, like what we can have, we have another, like see, currently we are looking the sum of this data, but instead of this sum, if I want the profit, like see here you can see the arrows sign. If you will click here, it is showing currently sum, but I want to show this data as a average, so I will click on this, so this data will show the average. So in this way we can show the data. Now if you want to see the changes, so what I will take, average of profit, I will take average again, and here like this is the average of that, and but this is the sum. So these are the two profit. So like there are so many formatting, like in which way you want to show the data, like sum, average, minimum, maximum. So these are the fields, based on that we can like we can show the data to the end user. And apart from this, like we have other field called like conditional formatting. And so that is the good one more good thing, like when we expand this conditional formatting, so like let's uh, go down, and now see, conditional formatting is kind of like how you want to show data based. See, currently it is showing based on the country. Now I want to show the data based on the month name, then it will, the data will show based on the month. So that is the conditional formatting into the like into the table. So basically this conditional formatting is like based on some condition, it represent the data. So like in that way, if you want to show the data, then we use the conditional formatting. So let's take this profit column. What I will do, like for profit I will take, I will select this one. Now what I will do, I will change the background color, I will make it on, and when I will on it background color, we can see that like it is changing the data. Now basically what the formatting is happening here. So what I will do, I will take it in the ascending order. We can see like for the higher record, the it is dark blue, then as per the record it is going very light, like we can see the color is going very light. So the data it is showing into the conditional format. And what is the condition? It is that, so if you will click on this advanced control here, we can see like how the data it is showing. So here it is like highest value in this color and the lowest value in this color. So instead of this, we can change the data as per we needed. Like I want to show the data in this value. So how it is showing, see, we can see the for the like it is going with the dark with this color, and it is going to the light blue. And if I will click OK, we can see the data how it is formatting, and in that way it is showing the data. So like as I explained, like it's a conditional formatting, we can show the data over this. And apart from this, there are so many properties given for the conditional formatting, like data bars. If instead of the color, like let's off this, and now the data is showing into the bar, like, and for obviously for this also we can change the advanced control, like we can change the color. Now we can see like for the highest record it is going up to, and as the record is going down, we can see the bar is means in decreasing also. So in the bar format also we can show the data. And there are so many other properties of this conditional formatting, and based on that we can show the data. So means when you try in your system, you can more explore on the formatting of this table. So that is all about this tutorial. If you have any question or doubt, please comment. Thank you.